Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to create those trending animal cooking videos that are making waves on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Many creators are using AI-generated images and videos to create this type of content, and they're making a lot of money from it. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on what you'd like me to teach next. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Generating AI images. To create these videos, you first need AI-generated images of animals cooking. Here's how to do it. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts. Open ChatGPT and type a request like, "Please give me 10 prompts to generate images of different animals in different scene doing different activities in a very nice background." Once ChatGPT provides the prompts, take a screenshot or copy them. 2. Generate images with PicLumen. Visit PicLumen, a free AI image generator. Register an account if you haven't already. Click the small pen icon to enter a prompt. Paste your first prompt and hit generate. If the result isn't what you expected, regenerate until you get a better image. Repeat this process for multiple prompts to get different images. Download the best ones to your device. Step 2. Turning images into AI videos. Now that you have your images, it's time to create animated AI videos. 1. Use Pixverse AI to generate videos. Go to Pixverse AI and create an account. You get 100 free coins daily, allowing you to generate 3 free videos per day. Click the plus button and select text to video. Upload one of your AI-generated images. Paste a matching prompt in the text box. Click Generate. Note: free users may wait 30 to 40 minutes due to high traffic. 2. Downloading your AI video. Once your video is generated, click the down arrow to download it. The video will be saved to your device, ready for editing and uploading. Final tips. If you want to create longer YouTube videos, consider paying for Pixverse AI to avoid copyright issues. Use these AI videos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts for maximum reach. Experiment with different prompts and AI models to get unique results. That's it. Now you know how to create viral AI animal cooking videos and start making money online. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want me to teach. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.